Hello, welcome back to today's video. We're still talking about approximation. I want to talk about decimal place. So when in approximation, I'd like you to note that in approximation, any number that you are rounding up and the number after it is up to 5, you are going to approximate it, or you are going to round it up to 1. You round it up to 1, you add it to the number it's following. So let's practicalize that. We have 3 examples here, and our question is approximate to 1 decimal place. Approximate to 2 decimal place. Approximate to 3 decimal place. Now, what do we mean by decimal place? You have to understand what this means, decimal place. So, in approximation, when you see decimal place, you are being asked to approximate this number not more than 2 numbers after the decimal, or not more than 1 number after the decimal, not more than 3 numbers after the decimal, depending on how many number you see here. 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place. So let's practicalize what I'm saying. Equal to, this is approximate to 1 decimal place. So what you have to do is 7, 6, 0, 0, dot 1 decimal place. So 3 is just the number after the decimal, which is 1 decimal. So the number after 3 is 6. Is it up to 5? Yes. Round it up to 1 and add it to this 3. This will become 0.4. And this is your number to 1 decimal place. This is your answer. So let's do the second one. Let's move on to the second one. 34.653. The question is approximate to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place is 2 numbers after the decimal. 2 numbers after the decimal. So you get 34.65. The number after 5 is not up to 5, so you discard it. If it was up to 5, you round it up to 1 and add it here, and this will become 6, 6. But since it's not up to 5, you discard it, and we have 64.65. So this is the 2 decimal place. Let's move on to the third one. The question is approximate to 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place, which means 3 numbers after the decimal. So what do we have here? This is 0, and this is the decimal. The 3 numbers after the decimal is 0, 0, 2. The number after 2 is not up to 5. So we write it down as 0, 0, 2. And this is the 3 decimal place. Thank you very much for staying with us through today's video. We will not forget to tell you to like, share, and subscribe if you have found this video very helpful, so that we'll be able to reach more people. Thank you.